Are you pulling your hair out trying to get your wired internet working on Ubuntu 16.04? Let's get you connected, step by step, so you can browse the web without a hitch. First, let's ensure your Ethernet cable is securely connected to both your computer and your router or network port. Then, check that the network cable is connected to your desktop or laptop. Next, let's check the network icon in the top right corner. If it's showing a network cable icon or even the globe icon, it might be connected already. Often, Ubuntu automatically detects your Ethernet connection. If the icon is a question mark or you see a disconnected message, we'll proceed to fix this manually. Click on the network icon and select Added Connections now. If the system recognizes a wired connection, it will be there in your settings. Click on it and check whether Connect Automatically selected. Then, make sure IPv4 settings is set to automatic DHCP. This is crucial. Your network will assign an IP address automatically. If the settings look good, but you're still offline, open your terminal, type the following commands to ensure network services are active and to reset your interfaces. After this, try reconnecting to the network from your network icon or just restart your computer. Finally, test your connection by opening your favorite web browser and searching for something. If you can access the internet, congratulations, you're back online. If you're still facing issues, consider rebooting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Enjoy your newfound internet access.